The Phoenician Resort restaurant here in Phoenix has received 3 violations in the past 2 years. The previous 2 were Bs, and this most recent one in July was a C. This was due to not washing their dishes with the correct chlorine concentration, not storing their foods at the proper temperatures, and not marking the pull dates of some foods and forgetting to pull them out when they're expired. These are all serious issues because if one, you're not marking the expiration dates, then you could be at risk for serving expired food, and that expired food is at risk for containing parasites, bacteria, fungi, the longer it is out. So you don't want to serve that to your customers and spread foodborne illnesses. Same thing with storing at improper temperatures. Bacteria thrive in warmer temperatures, so if you fail to keep it at a cold enough temperature, it can be at risk for growing bacteria, which can also cause foodborne illness. You also want to make sure you're washing everything correctly. So chlorine is a really effective antibacterial agent, which is why it's used in dishwashers. So if you're not washing with enough chlorine, then you can miss a little bit of bacteria that can spread and multiply, also putting your customers at risk for getting foodborne illness. So you want to make sure that you're doing all of these in order to prevent infection like Listeria, Salmonella, E. coli. These are the 3 most common foodborne illnesses that you can get. And it's really serious, especially if you are immunosuppressed, like someone on immunosuppressants, an elderly person, and also pregnant women as well. If a pregnant woman gets any of these illnesses, it takes longer for her to recover because she's using a lot of her energy to build a baby. It also puts the fetus at risk. It puts depending on how bad the infection and the illness is, the fetus can receive long-term effects from that. So the Phoenician restaurant needs to make sure that they clean their dishes properly, they store their food at the correct temperatures, and they also pull it out at the proper time.